Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You should begin by ensuring Docker is active and you can talk to it. Once confirmed, list every container with Docker PS to identify the exact ID or name you will remove. Then stop that container with Docker stop container. You do this because Docker refuses to remove running containers. Stopping cleanly avoids data loss and lets you proceed to deletion. Make sure the stop completed. If it hangs, note the ID for forced removal in the next step. Once the container is stopped, remove it with Docker rm ID or name, which deletes the container metadata and file system. If the container refuses to stop or still shows up, use Docker rm fid or name to force removal. Be aware this can kill processes abruptly. To also clear anonymous volumes attached to the container, add v or run Docker volume prune afterwards. You do this to avoid leaving orphan volumes that consume disk space. Confirm removal with Docker PS and Docker volume ls. To finish, confirm the container no longer appears in Docker PS and that Docker inspect ID returns an error proving deletion. If you want broader cleanup, run Docker system prune to remove unused images and networks, but be careful as this deletes images you may need. If removal fails, a common cause is linked services or compose. Run Docker compose down or stop dependent containers first. Troubleshooting tip: when a container won't delete, check for running child processes or restart the Docker daemon before forcing removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.